Back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make onion oil for fast hair growth and also to stop hair fall. Continue watching to find out how I make this oil. Onion oil. I'll be using red onion, so I'm going to peel the onion. I'm done peeling the onion. I like to wash the onion, then I will set aside. To make this onion oil, I'll be making use of coconut oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I will chop the onion for easy blending. When I'm done cutting the onion, I will add it into the blender. I'm going to blend the onion not too smooth because I don't want the onion to release all the juice. Choose to chop the onion into smaller pieces or blend roughly to avoid the onion releasing so much juice. Add the onion paste into a pot. Add enough oil to cover the onion. Stir to mix properly. On a low heat, allow to simmer gently. You can choose to stir occasionally. While stirring, I'll allow the onion paste to simmer until it has turned light brown. Then I will turn off the heat. Allow the oil to cool before straining. When I notice that the oil has cooled down, I'll be using a strainer to sieve. You can also use cheesecloth. Then press to get out all the oil. And adding onion oil to your hair will provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair. Sulfur helps to prevent hair loss and also promote collagen production. Store the onion oil in any clean container. Tone down the smell of onion with any essential oil of your choice. Oil to massage your hair and scalp. You can allow it to sit for about 30 minutes, then you can rinse. You can see how easy it is to make onion oil. Try using this onion oil because it will help to nourish your hair follicles, treat dandruff, and also good for your hair growth. Onion contains sulfur that will help to support strong, thick hair, prevent hair loss, and also promote collagen production. I hope you try this oil and thank you all for watching.